On my way home. Oh my god. So people don't know how to drive outside of the military base in San Diego, clearly. I need a car mount if I crash. Heading home from dropping my husband to work. Red light, green light. No 1, 2, 3. Yep. Waiting patiently. Hope there's no popo. So I'm back home. It's 6 a.m. where I am, and I only got half an hour sleep so far for the entire night. I'm going to sleep and probably wake up midday and go to the grocery. And there's a dog. Oh, cute dog, cute corgi. Being a pain in the ass as usual. Yeah. Good morning. So I'm about to, well, actually, it's not morning, it's freaking 1 p.m. But I'm about to fix my hair. So I'm going to style my hair with some of these products here. If you guys can see that. And this one. Where life begins. I hear a dog. Is that a dog? Oh my god. And here we go. Outside. It's so... Oh my god, the yard is disgusting. Whoop. Disgusting. I need to clean it, but it's so beautiful outside. Well, for me, it's warm, and I live in California, and of course it's generally nice here, but it's so nice and warm because I'm originally from Trinidad and Tobago, where it's nice and warm. So I was freezing my ass off out here. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Coffee machine. Gonna make some coffee. Yeah. Okay, so, oh my god. I swear. This is how my hair looks, and my skin probably looks like shit because I have no makeup on. I don't wear makeup. I used to wear a little bit, but no, I don't wear any makeup anymore. But anyways, I am heading to the commissary. I need to go to the grocery, and I'm like having a panic attack. Like, I swear I've been trying to leave the house and it's taking me forever to leave. And I'm just like annoyed because I need to eat, and oh my god, I just need to go to the commissary. Oh my god, my skin looks terrible in this lighting, but whatever. So I'm going to the commissary. I would like to vlog while I'm driving, but oh my god, what the hell am I trying to say right now? I would like to vlog when I'm driving, but I don't have a car mount yet. I'm gonna buy one today because I just started vlogging, so I don't want to like put the phone somewhere and it falls and then like I end up in an accident or some crap. So I'm not gonna vlog while driving, but I'll vlog when I get to the commissary, and I'm gonna eat before, so I'll vlog that too. So I'm about to drive out, and I must say that my neighbor directly opposite to me with the 2-car garage, I swear his garage is life goals for me. He literally has a BMW, a Corvette, and a motorcycle, and that's it in his garage. That's it. No junk. No junk. Talk about minimalist to the max. Like, my husband has so much junk in our garage, it's ridiculous. I could film it, but I'm about to leave, so yeah, it's like life goals. Hashtag minimalist. I don't even care about the BMW and the Corvette. I just care that he has like 3 things in there. Yummy food. Oh my god, guys, so I don't know if you could see me, but I just went panda, and I think you guys will obviously see that before this clip that I was eating panda, and I can't believe my fortune cookie right now. I just went panda, right, and I just started vlogging today, and this is what I got in my fortune. Like, you will find a larger stage to shine on this week. Is that a sign? I don't know. But hopefully this YouTube thing, this vlogging thing kind of goes well. Because look at this. How awesome. Okay, so, oh my god, my hair probably looks a little ratchet because I kind of took out the piece that was holding the back. Because I have a headache. I can't wear my hair tight. And because it gives me headaches. Like, my hair will be loose and I'll still get a headache. Anyways, just came back from the commissary, from the grocery, and I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of what I bought. So, oh my god. Some organic blue corn chips. It's like really good. I'm trying to be plant-based, vegan kind of thing, but I still eat chicken. And here we have this juice. I like smoothies, but I hate making them, so I just buy this and I mix it with pomegranate juice. It's really good together. So that's like my pre-breakfast smoothie. And then I'll have like chips and more chips. And oh, this is new. So I might, hopefully it tastes good. What else? And Lysol wipes for the OCD and the gross people. And oh my god, barbecue chips. Lots of chips. I'm not a snack person, but all of a sudden I'm becoming one. So, because I'm trying to not get fat, and I love food and I love to eat. And chips, for some reason, with salsa is good lately. Hope I'm making sense. Salsa. And, ooh. So I love coconut water, right? But in America, this is as good as it gets. That's all I have to say. And I got like a bunch of seasoning, dried seasoning to cook food. I have some ribs here, but that's because my husband is not vegan and does not care about being plant-based. So, I have no choice, man. I really have to buy the meat, man. He wouldn't divorce me, but if he does, that might be so bad. Just kidding. More salsa. And more juice. High carb, low fat, plant-based, fruitarian, juicitarian. Oh my god, that is so lame. That's such a fail. Oh my god. Whatever. Seasoning. I'm probably moving too fast. And some random other stuff like baked beans. So, quick end note. My storage is full. I'm gonna end this vlog. Gonna unpack my groceries. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.